How to find contacts on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily find your contacts on Instagram app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Instagram app. Tap here. Tap on the menu. Then tap on Settings. In Settings, tap on Account. Tap on Contacts Syncing. Turn this feature on. Instagram says Open Setting. Then tap Permission and turn on Contacts. So tap on Open Settings. Tap on Permissions. Tap on Contacts. Tap on Allow. Now go back to Instagram and go to Contact Syncing. Turn on Contact Syncing. Now go to your profile. Tap on See All. Scroll down. You will find your contacts here and also some other suggested people. So this is how you can find contacts on Instagram.